Welcome to the Crypto Nest. I think I never covered ape, or maybe once or twice. I'm not even sure. I see on the net that full disclosure, I do have some ape. I had I think this was a really bad move when I start to get them. Not even sure when I start to get some. I think maybe I got them here, and I thought this would have been an A, a B, and a C. But every time, okay, maybe I bought it here because we had the kind of a 1-2, right? But I never had really a nice breakout point. I need to go and check exactly when I bought it. I will come back on you on that one. But anyway, I know many analysis out there, they label this as a 5 waves, but then it would have worked if the 5th wave stopped here. How can you explain a 5th wave and then what you just say, you know what, wave 1, actually wave 1, it could be an ABC, an A, a B, and a C, okay, fine. But the 3rd wave, how about that? That's the thing. So the other way we could do is we could put the 3rd wave here and the 4th here, and that maybe would make sense. Not sure. I think the 4th wave should be long enough. Because it's a diagonal, it does work. Actually, let me take the fibs for diagonals, and then that's it. Wait for diagonal. Let me remove that. Alright, so me, honestly, I'm not even sure if I don't want to call, and it's kind of rare, but I could also say this is the WX Y X, and this is Z, and Z is going to have an A, a B, and a C, so that as well does work out. What did I want to do? I wanted to remove the lines. Okay, I'm going to do that another time, maybe. Not green though, maybe yellow. Let me fade out a little bit, because we don't need that. Okay, so, but no matter what, it doesn't really matter how you label it for the moment anyway. It's going down. We need to stop this. I would call that an hemorrhage, and I just did a fib retracement from the top to the current bottom, and it is a coin that you don't want to put your high hopes on it, because it keep doing a lower low, right? Like all time lower low, and it's actually going against the cycle. Okay, we're supposed to be in a bull market, and it doesn't look at all okay, so to me, if it's able to do and recover just the 0.382, it's going to be already amazing. Even better if we can manage to reach the 0.5 fib retracement, $3.12. This area here between those two levels, for me, this is going to be where I'm going to just liquidate my ape, not in a loss, but if I'm lucky enough, and then that's it. And actually now, because the bull market is ending, there is left much less than before. We need to start to scale. I don't want to say scale back, but I want to say, scale out, or, like shrink our positions and just keep our the coins that we feel they are stronger. Actually, not that we feel, but the chart tells us that it's stronger. This is definitely not it. Now, yes, alt season can happen, and amazing if it does, but not all altcoins are going to enjoy that. So this is the thing. Now I can draw also a downtrend here, and this is going to be the challenge now. Challenge number one. Well, challenge number one honestly should be here, the MA 200, if the price is able to break it. After that is going to be this very long term, like, you know, since his date of birth, downtrend. That's going to be a very, very challenging one. And then after that, once again, 186 and $3.12. These are the levels I would focus. You can see that here we had a peak here, so I am expecting more likely a reaction that level. If we can break out momentarily and touch, you know, the 0.5 fib retracement, even better. That would be an extra, like the cream on the sundae. Otherwise, yeah, to me, I honestly looking for yeah, $2.50, $2.60 start to take my my profits if we pass the 186. So once again, more likely 170, 175. I'm going to start to take some profits here, and then every time if we, you know, go a little bit higher, then I'm going to continue to take the profits. Yeah, for sure. Eventually, we're going to see the structure. Yes, it's going to make a pullback. You know, we will see after that how it works. You know, because if it's able to do something like that, or even something like that, and then it goes and make an ABC, then we need to see on the time where are we going to be, right? Because if it were in September, I would not go, because I know that Bitcoin probability are that bear market is going to start imminently. Okay, so yeah, so this is pretty much all I wanted to share with you guys. Now, I think I don't have enough data. Let me check here. The structure is not crazy crystal clear. Maybe 1 hour was too much. Maybe let's go with 4 hours. Actually, might be not that bad. Need to check the time. I need to go to work. Okay, so maybe an A, a B, and a C for the wave 1. And this could be a wave 2 and 3, 4 and 5. Let me label it. Now I'm doing this on the fly. I will for sure need more time to do a deep dive on the stock, but let's just check it out. I'm going to put it in orange. There you go. So clearly ABC, the third wave A, B, and a C also. And so on this fifth wave, well, this is a little bit crazy because, you know, fifth wave, I mean, A, B, and C, that's crazy. But that's, anyway, we're going to check it out after. Or this could be just an ABC for the wave A. This is the B, and we're making the C. But no matter how you read it, yeah, there is place for a little bit more of high level price reaching, but it could stop also. It doesn't necessarily need to go and go for the moon, right? Okay, so let me recenter this one. Doesn't make sense. So we almost reached the 0.5. Let me remove. So that's, you know, it's kind of a nice strong wave 2, but also this could be also, you know, once again an A, a B, and a C. And I'm doing this quickly. I wasn't even supposed to do A, but just wanted to share more the how to get I don't want to say rid of the stock, but give less chances to get caught with a coin that it's underperforming, right? Okay, so third wave almost reached, yeah, the 1.38 is not that bad. Let's go and check out now for the fourth wave. seems maybe the 0.5. Uh-oh. Yeah, still not like about, still okay. Okay, so now let's go for the fifth wave down. So now I'm going to take from the beginning to the wave 1 to the end of the wave 3. And then, yeah, for sure we're going to go and aim for the 0.618 fib extension, because, yeah, the fourth wave was deep. And there you go, we already reached it. I'm going to add maybe those two. So these are the next 2 or 3 levels. I wouldn't focus on the one. But this is already, the target has been reached. So for people who got earlier, are making profits, I would secure some profits, even though this is not financial advice. And maybe I would wait for a deeper pullback, as I'm expecting from Bitcoin, as I'm expecting from Ethereum, as I'm expecting from pretty much all the altcoins. And what does explain all this euphoria now? It's because now the altcoins are catching up. So because Bitcoin is taking a rest, if I go on the 1 hour now, you see this rest here enable the altcoins to skyrocket. And you can see now, yeah, anyway, this is a little bit shaky because, you know, trend lines, right? They're good until they break. So, but it just give us an idea. It's kind of doing a kind of a triangle. Let's see if it can break out from the up or the bottom. And yeah, for me, once again, I need to check if it's up to date though. Yeah, it is. So if the price goes below 100k, for me, this is the first hint that the bigger correction is incoming. So watch out for your altcoins also. All right, so this is pretty much all I wanted to share with you guys for today. Yeah, unfortunately, I can only do this video. I want to just do a quick glance on bread. So bread is looking good as well. Do I need to update anything? I still have the target here. 3, 4, that's good, and that's internal. What was that? That's 1 and 2. Okay, I just want to add maybe from the wave 1 to the wave 3. I'm not sure the fourth wave is finished though, huh? To be fair. Okay, so now because the fourth wave is deep, is not deep, sorry, we can go and add the 0.382, give us an idea. So this would be wave 1 plus 3 for the fifth target. Okay, so we would have a confluence a little bit of price for this level here. So 9 cents one for the bigger fifth wave in green, and then when I do the micro counting, we have 9 cents for the fifth wave in yellow. All right, so this is really everything today I wanted to share. So have an amazing Saturday. Please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Join our Discord. Often when I don't have time to make video, I do snapshot updates on the charts. If you have any comments, any requests, drop them in the comments. Have a good day. Bye.